Find the point on y-axis which is equidistant from the points 5, -2 and -3, 2. So here I will consider, let the point on y-axis be P 0, y. Now they given condition is PA equals PB. So point on y-axis, this point is at equal distance from 5, -2, one point is here, -3, 2. So this distance is equal to this distance, PA distance equal to PB distance. So we need to find this point. So don't use midpoint formula, because midpoint, if you try to do for AB, you'll get somewhere over here. So we need to do equidistant. The hint is here distance. You calculate distance only. Now here P is 0, y, A 5, -2, again P 0, y, B -3, 2. Now distance formula, under root x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So here x1 y1, x2 y2, x1 y1, x2 y2. Now if we'll calculate PA distance here, x2 minus x1, so 5 minus 0 whole square -2 minus y whole square equals y2 minus y1 -3 minus 0 whole square plus 2 minus y whole square. So here 5 minus 0 is 5 square. When both are minus, there is nothing but a plus b whole square. So here I'll explain. See, -2 minus y whole square. So that is nothing but minus, if I'll take common, 2 plus y whole square. So minus square will be plus, it will be 2 plus y whole square. So a plus b whole square. And on the right side, so -3 whole square plus 2 minus y whole square. Next step, squaring on both sides. So if I do squaring on both the sides, root 5 square plus 2 plus y whole square equals root -3 square plus 2 minus y whole square. So if I do squaring on both sides, because squares and roots will get cancelled. Now 5 square is 25. 5 square is 25. A square is 4. B square is y square plus 2ab, that will become 4y. -3 whole square is 9. 2 square is 4. Y square b square minus 2ab, so minus 4y. So here 4 y square y square will get cancelled. So you are left with, here I'll do it, 25 plus 4y equals 9 minus 4y. So 4y minus 4y will transpose plus 4y, 9 minus 24. So 25. So 8y equals minus 16. Y equals minus 16 upon 8. So y is minus 2. Therefore the point is 0, minus 2. So the point on y-axis is 0, minus 2. you.